then we have reached the last envelope for this advent calendar. So day 25 is actually the kit everyone either upgraded to. If you didn't upgrade to a kit, you guys get a 2-page sampler, but if you did upgrade to your kit, everyone gets a planner kit. This planner kit is actually made to be obviously used year-round. I didn't want to have something seasonal for this, but I do love the way this came out. So inside your advent calendar, you have a full deluxe kit, which comes with the 8 pages. So everyone has their date headers, their headers, littles, and then your full boxes. Everyone had a choice between vertical, horizontal, or happy planner sizes. So those were sent out accordingly. And then we have your deco sheet and your check boxes, as well as all of your other boxes and all of your washies here. So that is the kit for day 25. And I hope you guys love the advent calendar. Thanks for watching and hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. Bye everyone!